What if I told you that you can run the real Minecraft Java edition directly on your iPhone or iPad? And I am not talking about Minecraft Bedrock Edition from the App Store. This is the actual Java edition, complete with Java servers, different Minecraft versions, customizable controls, and even support for selected mods. The original PojavLauncher has now been replaced by Amethyst, which is the newer launcher for running Minecraft Java edition on mobile devices. In this video, I will show you the complete setup step by step, from installing Amethyst and enabling JIT to signing in and launching your first Minecraft Java world on an iPhone or iPad. So, let's get started. Before installing anything, there are a few important requirements. At the moment, there are two ways to install Amethyst on an iPhone or iPad. One method without a computer and another method using a computer. If your device is running iOS 27 or newer, you can install Amethyst without a computer using SideInstaller. I have already made a complete tutorial showing how to install and set up SideInstaller directly on your iPhone or iPad. You can find that video through the link in the description or the card shown on the screen. However, if your device is running iOS 26 or lower, you will need to use a computer to install Amethyst. In this video, I will show you the computer installation method for devices running iOS 26 or lower. First, download and install iLoader on your computer. iLoader is one of the easiest ways to install SideStore on an iPhone or iPad. Once iLoader is installed, connect your device to the computer using a USB cable. Make sure your device is unlocked and tap Trust if the Trust this computer message appears. Next, open iLoader and sign in using your Apple ID. Once your device is successfully connected and detected, select the stable version of SideStore. Then, start the installation and wait for SideStore to be installed on your iPhone or iPad. Once SideStore has been installed, try opening it from your home screen. You may see an untrusted developer message. To fix this, open Settings, tap General, and select VPN and Device Management. Under Developer App, select the Apple ID you used with iLoader. Tap Trust, and then tap Trust again to confirm. You can now return to your home screen and open SideStore. Next, open SideStore. From here, you can download and install the Amethyst version of PojavLauncher directly on your device. Go to the Sources tab, tap Recommended Sources, find the crystalline repository, and add it to SideStore. Once the crystalline source has been added successfully, you will be able to find Amethyst and prepare it for installation. Before installing Amethyst, you first need to sign in to your Apple ID inside SideStore. Open the Settings tab, select Sign In, and log in using your Apple ID. Next, the final requirement is LocalDevVPN, which is needed for SideStore to install Amethyst. Open the App Store, search for LocalDevVPN, and install it on your device. Once it is installed, open LocalDevVPN and allow the VPN configuration when prompted, and then connect to the VPN. Now reopen SideStore and return to the crystalline source. Find Amethyst, tap Download or Install, and wait for SideStore to complete the signing and installation process. Do not close SideStore or disconnect LocalDevVPN until Amethyst has been successfully installed on your device. Once Amethyst has been successfully installed, open it from your home screen. You have now installed PojavLauncher Amethyst on your iPhone or iPad. However, before you can launch Minecraft Java Edition, you still need to enable JIT. JIT is required for Amethyst to run Minecraft properly. Without JIT, the game may not launch, may show a black screen, or may run very slowly. To enable JIT directly on your device, you can use StikDebug. First, open the official StikDebug website and download the latest StikDebug IPA file. Once the download is complete, open iLoader. Hit Import IPA and select the StikDebug. Once StikDebug has been installed, open it and complete the required pairing setup. Go back to iLoader, click on Manage Pairing File, and place to StikDebug. After StikDebug is fully configured, now open StikDebug app on your home screen. Then select Amethyst from the installed application list and enable JIT. Once you enable JIT through StikDebug, Amethyst should open automatically. Now, check the JIT status inside the launcher. As you can see, JIT has been successfully enabled for PojavLauncher Amethyst. This means Amethyst is now ready to run Minecraft Java Edition with the required performance. Keep in mind that you may need to enable JIT again whenever you completely close Amethyst or restart your iPhone or iPad. Now that JIT is active, we can continue with the Minecraft account setup and launch the game. And that is how you can install PojavLauncher Amethyst and enable JIT on your iPhone or iPad. For devices running iOS 26 or lower, you can follow the computer methods shown in this video to install SideStore, Amethyst, and StikDebug. However, if you want to complete the entire setup without a computer, from installing SideStore and Amethyst to configuring StikDebug and enabling JIT, you will need a device running iOS 27 or later. I have already created a complete step-by-step tutorial showing the full no computer setup. You can watch that tutorial using the link in the video description or by tapping the video shown on the screen. Once everything is configured, simply enable JIT through StikDebug, open Amethyst, sign in with your Minecraft account, and start playing Minecraft Java Edition on your iPhone or iPad. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your device model and iOS version. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.